Hi, you're watching The Sawera. This is Amarpal Singh before you as yesterday's 72-hour operation Parhar 2 was initiated by the city police. You can see heavy deployment is there today here in the vegetable and fruits market. So you can see a large number of police personnel. They are conducting checking over here at the vegetable and fruit market, and DCP Jaskiranjit Singh Teja along with ADCP Sameer Verma, they are present over here. They are leading the drive here at the vegetable and fruit market. Teja ji, today driving is being led here in vegetable and fruit market. What do you want to say?
ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮਾਨਯੋਗ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਰ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਅਫਸਰ ਆਏ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਚ ਬਾਈਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ
ਸਰ ਵੈਸੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਪੈਸੀਫਿਕ ਇਨਪੁਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ
ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੈਗੀ
ਓਕੇ So according to DCP Jaskiranjit Singh Teja, they have got a special input, and today you can see heavy deployment is there here at the vegetable and fruit market near the Jalandhar bypass. It is the main vegetable and fruit market over here in the city, and you can see heavy deployment is there. Large number of police personnel, they are present over here. Senior officials, they are present over here, and even IGP Dr. Bhupati. So IGP Dr. Bhupati along with the Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, they are turning up at this site to inspect the operation. So at present senior officials, they are present over here. DCP Jaskiranjit Singh Teja, ADCP Sameer Verma, along with several other personals. You can see they are conducting intensive checking here at the main vegetable and food market near Jalandhar bypass in Ludhiana. S. Bhupati, IGP Punjab Police, he is over here. Sir, today you are leading this special operation. What do you want to say?
देखो दिस इज अ स्पेशल ऑपरेशन प्रहार 2 on the instruction of the government. We are specially doing this operation which spans for a period of 72 hours.
Right, sir.
To make this operation effective, we have mobilized force within district commissionerate. Also, we have brought the force from outside the district also. So, the force which we have received, we have deployed them in two types of duties. One is visible policing and the second is operational duties.
Right.
As a part of visible policing, we have ensured different nakas at laid at the strategic points across the commissionerate at Ludhiana. And also we are doing cordon and search operation at different places. Along with that, we are doing the operational duties also, which includes raiding the hideouts of the wanted criminals. So now we are at the Sabji Mandi and we are doing a kind of combing operation. And because as I already said earlier, this operation spans for a period of 72 hours, which is 3 days. And the outcome of this operation and how effective it is, that we would be sharing after the completion of this operation.
Sir, 24 hours have been passed. What is the success of 24 hours?
Dekho, we are maintaining a data. Now it would be premature to reveal those data. So after completion of 72 hours, definitely we would be sharing you the details and the success. We will share the data.
सर जो अभी पब्लिक प्लेस पर हम लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं, लगता है कि यहाँ पर ऐसी इस जगहों पर भी एक्टिविटीज हो सकती हैं?
देखो अल्टीमेटली ऐसा जहाँ पे ना विजिबल पुलिसिंग का एक फायदा है, इट इन्फ्यूज सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस अमंग द पब्लिक. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, देखो ऐसा एक्टिविटी का आउटकम ना वंस द ऑपरेशन इज कंप्लीट, देन ओनली वी वुड बी इन अ पोजीशन टू शेयर द डिटेल्स. थैंक यू.
So, Commissioner of Police Swapan Sharma, accompanied by IGP Punjab Police Dr. S. Bhupati, they are over here to inspect the special operation which was run here at the city's main vegetable and fruit market. So, heavy deployment was there as Operation Parhar 2 is on. It was initiated yesterday, so it is a 72-hour operation as even mentioned by the IGP Dr. S. Bhupati. So special checking, special nakabandis are being done in different areas, at specific locations. Special checkings are being conducted by the city police. So yesterday even as per the data released by the city police, a score of persons accused, wanted criminals, they were arrested by the city police, as well as the similar operations is being run in Khanna, Ludhiana rural and across the state. So this is the operation Parhar 2, which is the 72-hour operation which was initiated yesterday, and it is a 3-day operation. So the success of this operation will be shared later after the 3 days. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Daswera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.